It's one thing to enjoy the outdoors. It's another to truly enjoy the outdoors. Turn the open air into your serene sanctuary with the folding camping cot from Alpcour. The Alpcour camping cot will give trekkers, campers, tailgaters, and beachgoers of all ages rest and relaxation anywhere. The camping cot is lightweight and portable, yet sturdy enough to comfortably hold up to 300 pounds of weight. And the premium polyester fabric is soft, breathable, double-layered, and water-resistant, while the cot opens and folds away in seconds. The camping cot comes with a pillow for added support, a side pocket to store your things, one carry bag for easy support, and a 1-year unlimited warranty. Roughing it doesn't have to mean restless, achy sleep. Let the clouds be your blanket while the world rests beneath you. Let an Alpcour camping cot comfort your adventures.
The skies are clear. It's summer once more. Introducing the extra-large, heavy-duty camping cot from Alpcour. With a capacity of up to 500 pounds, this cot is ready for anything you throw at it. Made of a lightweight yet sturdy steel frame, this one-of-a-kind cot is built with your family in mind. The carry bag ensures stress-free toting, and the cot sets up and folds down in seconds. It even comes with a padded pillow on a 30-degree head incline to ensure your maximum comfort, as well as a handy side pocket for all your on-the-go storage needs. Designed with a highly comfortable, lightweight polyester, eliminating the need for a mattress pad or extra pillows, this cot is ready for all your and your loved ones' adventures. Time to take your camping trips to a whole new level with the 500-pound capacity extra-large camping cot from Alpcour.
Meet the TETON Pivot Arm Cot. Not only are they comfortable, they're tough. In fact, they're the toughest cots we've ever made. How tough, you may ask? Tough enough to withstand 99 monkeys jumping on the bed. Tough enough to support over 600 pounds of fresh-cut lumber. Tough enough to hold up against an MVP linebacker. Tough enough to hold up a 5-time sumo wrestling champion. And tough enough to withstand a Bigfoot attack. The TETON Pivot Arm Cot is tough in every way, except the setup. This cot isn't just tough.
The HITORHIKE camping cot will get you off the hard rocky ground and back to a good night's rest. This lightweight package can fit in a hiking backpack for all of your outdoor treks. To assemble, connect the leg pieces together. Next, slide the support bars into the canvas. Starting with the center of the cot, insert one leg into the canvas hole. Push on the opposite side of the leg until it clips into place on the other support bar. Repeat for remaining legs. The thick nylon cloth is waterproof and holds weight up to 280 pounds. Disassembly is just as simple as the setup and can be easily stored when not in use. Whether using indoors or outdoors, sleep comfortably on this sturdy cot.